You don't have a traffic problem, you have an offer problem. You are posting daily, maybe even getting likes, maybe even views, but nobody's buying. Here's the brutal truth. People don't buy from you because they don't understand your value. They don't see what makes your offer different from others. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Alex Hormozi built his brand so good that people feel stupid saying no. So let's begin. Let's start here. Your business is either growing or it's dying. There is no staying in the game, and if it's stagnant, then it's already dying. Because here's the real thing. No business can survive without two things. First, not enough customers. Second, not enough cash or profit. Most people try to fix it by working harder, more post, more hustle, more hard work. But here's the thing. If your offer is weak, how much you can do, this doesn't matter. Working hard just makes you feel faster. Most businesses die because they become a commodity. You look like everyone's, you sound like everyone else, you blend in everyone, then only people compare on the basis of one thing, prices. And in the race of prices, nobody wins. There are only three ways to grow business. First, to get more customer. Second, to increase average purchasing value of customer. Third, to make customer buy more often. Most people try to get obsessed with number one. They try to make their customer as much as they can. But real growth comes from second and third. It comes from increasing worth of your customer and make them buy more often. And that's where Alex Hormozi Grand Slam offer comes in. He says built offer so good people feel stupid saying no. Let's talk about value, because this is the place where real money is. Most people say value is subjective. It's not. Hormozi gives a clear equation for it, and this is the equation which can change literally how you sell forever. The value equation is dream outcome multiplied by perceived likelihood of achievement divided by time effort multiplied by effort and sacrifice. This is the thing. I will explain you simply. The bigger the dream is, the more people will pay. The faster you can get the result, the more people will pay. The more they believe you can deliver the results, the more they will pay. The easier the result, the more they will pay. So your job is to maximize the top of the equation, I mean the dream and belief, and minimize the bottom of the equation, that is time and effort. So let me tell you an example. So a gym membership costs $40 a month and a liposuction costs $10,000. Both promises the same dream, a better body. Then why one is selling at 300 times more expensive than other? Because liposuction gives you instant results. It means it has zero effort, low time, high fertility, whereas gym demands months of hard work, discipline, self-discipline and sacrifice. That's a lot. So here's the difference. People only pay high amount if you decrease the bottom of the equation and increase the top of the equation. Liposuction does it perfectly. Let's take another example. Uber versus taxi. Both work the same way. They take you from point A to point B. But Uber wins. Why? Because it is effortless, it is seamless, it is frictionless, it is faster, it is transparent. So you didn't change the product, you changed the offer. And that's how you win in business. Now when the best offer in the world fail if you pitch it to the wrong people. So Alex Hormozi clearly says this. A starving crowd is much important than offer, is much important than persuasive skill. So in order to find your starving crowd, there are 4 checks. Number 1, massive pain or need. They must urgently want the result or service you can provide. They can't just interested, because interest doesn't buy, desperation does. Second, purchasing power. They can't just want it, they need to able to afford it. Third, easy to target. You must know where the located communities or habits or platforms, etc. Fourth, growing market. Never build in a dying market, because a rising tide lifts all the boats, including yours. And when you choose the right market, your offer start halfway done. Now build your own Grand Slam offer. Step 1, find the dream outcome of your customer. They don't want to lose 10 kg weight. They want to look confident. They don't want marketing team. They want to get unlimited clients. So identify the real thing they want. Step 2, find the problems that is stopping them from achieving that dream outcome. Like no time, no belief, frustration, fear, failed before, anything. Write as many as problem you can write. Step third, convert those problems into solutions. Like no time, 5-minute blueprint. Don't know what to do? Check by checklist, step by step. No motivation, accountability tracker. That's how you convert every problem into solution, and it makes your offer much more stronger. Step 4, now decide how you will gonna deliver those solutions. It can be in form of videos, templates, hooks, playbook, or one-on-one meetings, anything. Step 5, now use the 4 work system. High cost, high value, high cost, low value, low cost, low value, low cost, high value. Now remove everything in low value. Put some in high cost, high value like one-on-one meetings or mentorship, etc. Now stack everything into low cost, high value, because that's the place where scalability comes in. That can be videos, templates, hooks, playbook, etc. Now these must be cost almost nothing to deliver for you, but should be priceless for your customer. This is the real thing. That's the scalability, and that's how you scale business so far, like Alex Hormozi did. And that's how you make your offer unfairly good. Now you have the offer, very good offer. But Alex Hormozi add 5 more layers to make multiplies conversion instantly. First, scarcity. Limit the quantity. Don't try to sell to everyone like limited edition watch or 10 clients new this week or 3 spots left for this month, etc. Second, urgency. Limit the time. Like sale end by Friday midnight, or you can sign up under 24 hours to get a $10 cashback, etc. Step 3, third, that is bonuses. Stack extra value there. Like you can sell only pen but can give pen box in bonus. Or you can say sign up today and you get $20 cashback, etc. Now fourth is guarantee. Remove all the risk for your customer. Ensure everything to him. Like 1000 new leads guaranteed this month, or you will get the next month free. Or 6 weeks in 10 kg weight loss, if not, you get the next 6 months free. Anything but add guarantees that make your offer very powerful. Fifth is give it a killer name. Now don't say fitness coaching, say 6-month comeback plan. Don't say marketing team, say explosion blueprint profit. This is a way that you add psychological weight to your offer. Now if you're struggling with this, that's not because of your product, not your market, not your ads, it's because your offer. You can understand this video. And this is the same way of Grand Slam offer. How Alex Hormozi built his $1,000 to multi-million dollars businesses. This is the single thing, Grand Slam offer. Make offer so good, people feel stupid saying no. So stop competing from those commodity prices and make this Grand Slam offer and run your business full. So thanks for watching, and I see you next video.